Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how just one video literally changed the direction of my life and how it impacted me so much. And the video I'm going to be talking about is this one, Broke to 21-Year-Old Millionaire. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this video. This is actually the first video I saw from Tanner Fox, and it literally changed everything and how I look at what's possible. Like before this, I was actually doing graphic designing and I was making good money, not a lot, but it was pretty good, like 1,000, 3,000. But I actually wanted to do something that was passive because I was tired of making graphics and working with clients. Even though I liked it, I still wanted to do something that would be passive and like live the internet lifestyle where you can travel anywhere you want and still make money, like passive income. Because I actually learned what passive income is from Graham Stephan, so that's actually another video for another day. But anyways, I always wanted to do something that was passive, still make money and live my life, but I really didn't know how. And every time I searched up how to make money online, it was always something really shady, not real businesses, and most of the time it was a scam. And also the businesses that they were talking about weren't really real businesses, and you couldn't really make a lot of money from it. And also I wanted to make a lot of money while I was young so I can enjoy it in my high school years and whatever, but I didn't really know how. And the only young entrepreneurs I knew had some really big business idea and they started a company, which honestly wasn't really possible because you need a really good idea and you need a lot of startup capital. But after I saw this video and he was talking about Amazon FBA, and he said you basically sell stuff on Amazon and it's pretty passive. And as soon as I heard passive, that's when I was like, okay, this might be actually a real business and you can actually make a lot of money from it, because he showed screenshots and it actually made a lot of sense when he explained it. So I looked more into it and I saw his video where how you research products, how you make money from it and everything like that. And that's when I actually realized, yo, this is actually possible and you can actually make money while you're young and make actually good money, like 30,000, 500,000, whatever, sky's the limit. And that's when I started looking into this, and I told my dad about this the next day, and then that's where I got started. Literally after 2 weeks after watching this product, I got into Amazon. So life can change pretty quickly. I went from not knowing what to do as an entrepreneur who wants to make money young to the next week literally starting Amazon FBA and starting a business. So that's pretty crazy. Life can change in like a week or a day. Actually, it was a day since I found this business model in one day. So from there my life took a massive turn because I learned what was possible, and then from there I actually learned how to do Shopify because it was getting recommended to me, and then affiliate marketing and all these actually legit online businesses that you can start and make thousands of dollars. So I actually consider myself pretty lucky to find this video, and if you're watching this video, then honestly consider yourself really lucky, because there are like 7 billion people and only like 200,000 people probably know about Amazon and Shopify, or maximum like 2 million people, but not more than that. So out of like 7.8 billion, whatever the population is, you're like one of the few 0.004% or whatever who actually knows about this. And again, this is huge, this is real business and you can actually make real money. So if you haven't started already, honestly you're just wasting your time and you're wasting your potential. So I would just say start now, because this is the best time to start your business, because right now not a lot of people know about this, and again a lot of YouTubers coming into space and spreading the message, so it's gonna get saturated over time. So right now it's the best opportunity. Business is booming, e-commerce is on the rise, so get on it, jump on it. Life is crazy. In just one day my life changed. But again guys, it's actually possible. The Amazon dream is real and you can actually make money. And in case you're someone new to this space, I just want to let you guys know this is actually legit. You can make money on Amazon, Shopify, affiliate marketing. I know a lot of people are sketched out by this because they see how easy it is. It's not easy, by the way. It's simple, but it's not easy. It takes work, it takes time, but it's actually possible and you can make a lot of money from it. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little bit insight. I actually have a part 2 that I might explain later on. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video about it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you're new. We're so close to 100 subscribers, or by the time you're watching this video we probably hit on 100 subscribers. So thank you guys for that. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.